Lathen, what's going on today?
Not much.
What's that harness for?
I'm going skydiving.
For why?
Because I want to, I guess.
I love it.
I got it as a grad present.
Special occasion. Are you excited? Nervous?
I'm very excited. Not really that nervous.
I love it. It hits different when that door opens.
That's very true.
How about everyone else? Are you excited for him?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Awesome.
I'm nervous for him.
Let's send it.
Moms are always nervous.
Halfway up, how you feeling? Any nerves? No. It's beautiful up here, huh?
Camera's on. What do you got to say to people on the ground?
Fucking awesome.
Yes.
Lathen, how you feeling? You just jumped out of an airplane.
I'm feeling awesome.
Awesome. What was your favorite part?
Probably when we were controlling the canopy.
Oh, I love that.
And then when he would like dive.
He let you fly that thing?
Yeah.
That's so sick. Awesome. Would you do it again?
Oh yeah, 100%.
I love it. Thank you for jumping with Airborne Petawawa. Woo!